Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a simple program that will help us to automate a simple restaurant bill. So I'm gonna start with a print function to print our restaurant name. I'm gonna name it Happy Chicken. Close the bracket. Underneath of it, I'm gonna print a styling for our receipt, which will be printed out at the end. So inside the double quotation mark, I'm gonna put this times. I would like to give it a simple styling. Gonna times it to 30. Again, I want to put this styling above the restaurant name, so the restaurant name could come in between of them. Enter it. In here, I'm gonna place it there as well. So if you're gonna go and run this, this will give us this styling, if as you can see. All right, now I'm gonna create the variables to calculate the tax, basic meal cost, and tax meal, basic meal cost times the tax. So starting with the tax is equal to 0.10%. Our basic basic meal cost is usually around 15 to 20. Basic meal, you can put your desired amount, but I'm gonna put it to basic meal cost is equal to 30 quid in my restaurant. Now we're gonna calculate the tax from the meal. So I'm gonna create another variable called tax. Meal is equal to basic meal cost, which is the 30 quid, and times it with the tax. So this will calculate the tax meal from the basic meal, and it will add it on top of it. And if someone wanna, for example, some restaurants takes tip, then we're gonna create another tip variable is equal to open bracket basic meal cost as tax meal, and then close the bracket. Outside the bracket, we're gonna times it next to that bracket, obviously, times it to the 0.2%, which means is 20%. So my restaurant takes 20% tip, and let's create a variable to calculate the total amount. So total pay is equal to basic meal cost plus tax meal and plus the tip. So I have created the variables. Now I'm wondering, you guys must be wondering how to print this. So if I go and run this, this will only give me that happy chicken that I created when I first started this simple program. So it will not print this variable. Now, what do we need to print this? We need to create a print function for each of them, starting with the basic meal cost. So print open bracket double quotation marks, and we're gonna use before the double quotation marks the F string, so that can format it for us. So inside the double quotations, we're gonna put something like a basic meal. What would it be? I'm gonna put noodles and strings, column, space, curly brackets, total pay, column, dot two factor, then close the curly bracket and double quotation mark. So why did I put this two factor in here? You guys must be wondering, because our numbers are in the float. So if I want the floats to be printed out, I don't want those decimal numbers to be printed out with it together. So that's why I use the two factor in here, so that it can only print that the first two digit of the numbers. I don't want like 01100 to be printed out with my total pay. That's why I put the two factor in there. And I'm gonna put the float before that, because our numbers must be in the floats. The total pay inside the bracket, because it's a variable. So I have created this one. Now I need to print our tax. Print double quotation tax, space, column. The amount is in pound sterling, and open curly bracket, uh, tax mill. Tax mill is another, again we're gonna use the two factor, close the curly bracket, and then close the bracket after the double quotation. Now there's something is missing, because I don't want my variable to be counted as a string, because this is coming as a string, so it means there's something is missing, because the tax mill is a variable. If I do a print, this will only print the tax mill. It will not calculate the tax mill that I have put it in here, that I have created the variable in the basic mill plus times to the tax. So basically it's not gonna calculate the tax. So what do I need to do? What did I miss in here? Let's go and find the bag. So print, okay. I didn't put the if string in there. That's the one mistake. See, that one mistake can destroy the whole code. So be very careful when you're coding. All right, so that's done. Okay, I just want to have this one. Just gonna create some styling for it. Great. Yep. I want to put a pound sign in there. Give a space. I want the money that calculated tax mill to be appear underneath the total pay. Okay. And in here, there's another mistake in the first one here. Instead of the total pay should be at the very end. In here, I want the basic mail cost to be print instead of the total pay, which is correct now. Okay, this is done. Now we're gonna create another print function, open bracket, fstring, double quotation, and this time we will add the tip, column, space, until we reach here, add the pound sign. Now we're gonna calculate the tip. Right. Curly bracket, that column dot two factor. That's it. Now we will add another styling. This time I'm gonna add it as an underscore. So double quotation inside that quotation underscore times 30. This is created. Now I want to count the total. So print fstring double quotation total column, enter, 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 reach here. Okay, inside the curly bracket. Uh, Inside that curly bracket, we will add the variable total pay close bracket. And if I print this time, this will calculate everything for us. So going to left click, run the scratch full. As you can see, let me bring it up a bit. So this is the name of the restaurant, which is the Happy Chicken. A basic meal is cost noodles and drinks is 30 quid. The tax is £3. The tip is £6.60. And this will all calculate it to the amount of total, which is 39 and 6 pence. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and share and write your comments underneath. Thank you.